Okay, so here we have the Ryobi P720. This is the 18 volt dual power. It's a 20 watt LED work light. Comes with a tripod, which is adjustable. You just loosen and tighten that. And I've been using this a while. That's why it's beat up, but it still has tons of power. Like I said, you can either go with a battery. Battery can go in the back, or you can go with electric. So this is what the back looks like. You've got your regular cord or your battery. So we're actually going to test this out. We're going to test out a couple things here. But difference between this and then an old, let's see, this is an old P704 writer. Just kind of a handheld flashlight compared to this spotlight. I'm going to go outside and check it out. And you've also got 3 settings. So on, then a little bit dimmer, then off. Okay, so here we have the handheld flashlight. We're just going to shine it right here at the backboard, at the basketball hoop. Okay, let's power this on. And now let's see what that looks like. 1800 lumens is what it can do, and easily adjustable. As you can see, I'm using my foot to adjust it up and down. So this is what it looks like on the hoop on the first setting. Let's go to the second setting, a little bit dimmer, and then off. So that's all the way off. Back on, 1800 lumens, mid-range, and off. Okay, now let's test between battery and corded. Okay, so here we go with the battery. This is the battery pack. We're gonna take our cord right here, plug it right in the back, and hit that power button. And seems about the same. So no matter if you have a cord or a battery, you're still going to get just as much light, just as many lumens coming out, 1800 lumens right there. And also, if you notice the way these legs are designed right here, we can tighten this up, but this can be mounted onto a 2x4. So it can be mounted on the wall going sideways. You can actually run a screw in there just to hold it and secure it. You can put it on the top, I guess the top of the wall. Also has a hook right here, so you can also hook it and hang it from somewhere as well. But very good design. I like the legs. And then also this adjustment screw right here. You can go in any direction you want. And super bright. The camera won't even pick it up because it's super bright. But that is for the Ryobi P720.